How to blur background on Snapchat? Well, it's a very simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, you have to make sure that you are running the latest version of the app Snapchat. If not, head over to your app store and then update it. Once the application is up to date, the next thing you want to do is simply open the app. Make sure you are logged into a specific account. So over here you can see tons of different filters and effects. Right below filters, you can also see the search icon. You have to click on it. Now what you want to do is, in the search bar, you have to search for blur background. Tons of different filters will be available to you. You can click on the very first one. There you can see that the blurry effect has been applied. So from this filter, you can either take videos or photos, and it will blur your background automatically. After that, you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can blur your background on Snapchat. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.